readyplayerme has been discontinued. The service that I use to get this VTube model that I currently use, I've made an entire playlist showcasing how to become a VTuber for free, specifically doing it the way I did, and then also delving into PNG VTubers and stuff like that. And it was unique, and it's why I loved using this model. But all the rigging and the whole model was free and came from this company, readyplayerme. You could make avatars and use them across multiple platforms like games and things like that. You could also download the avatars fully rigged, and people I know had used them in different games as assets and stuff, and I used it for VTubing. That video is going to basically be removed from the playlist because it's now obsolete since this service no longer exists. I only saw this because there was a comment on that video that I made, and they were like, "This is discontinued." And I'm like, what do you mean they're discontinued? Now, because of that NFT stuff, and I distanced myself a lot because I just didn't agree with that, and I just didn't really want to do too much, with the company or anything like that. I didn't really know if they announced it on their socials or anything, so I did go and check that. They have not posted on their socials since 2025, which is very strange. So I thought, has this been a long time coming thing? Was it a financial issue? And I can't really find a lot of information. There's only one article that kind of touches on why readyplayerme discontinued, and it's not what you would expect. It's literally Netflix's fault. I mean, I know Netflix has been delving into the gaming space a lot more. They've had their own, kind of directs showing what's going to their platform, and they're trying to make Netflix a gaming platform as well, like a streaming platform for gaming. But it's just kind of interesting that this is what they acquired. This article, the only one that I can find, kind of goes over it. The article is from TechCrunch. Let's jump into the article because anything from Reddit to Facebook references this article. Let's kind of figure out what's going on and get any information we can about why Netflix shut this down, or what they're going to do with it and why did they want this. It says that they announced, which I don't know if I just missed this, but Netflix apparently announced it's acquiring readyplayerme, an avatar creation platform based in Estonia. The streamer said Friday, so they must have announced this back in December and I just missed it. It plans to use the startup's development tools and infrastructure to build avatars that will allow Netflix subscribers to carry their personas and fandom across different games. So I'm guessing Netflix is getting into their own games, or they want to use this integration, because that's what readyplayerme was when I first found it, before it really jumped into this NFT thing, and when I kind of distanced and didn't really pay attention to the company anymore. The whole premise was that they made these avatars in different games that would support these avatars, and you could be your avatar in these games basically. But I guess they're using it so they can have their own games and a persona based on their fandoms, it seems like. I guess you can be maybe 11 or something and run around, maybe something like that is what they're trying to do, which is what it mentions. It said the terms of the deals were not disclosed. readyplayerme had raised $72 million in venture backing from investors, and then it lists the investors, and apparently some of them were Roblox and Twitch, which I didn't know that. Netflix told TechCrunch the startup's team of around 20 people will be joining the company. So I guess they've just absorbed the whole company, I guess. Of the 4 founders that it mentions, only CTO is moving to, all the other founders left, and one of the people have moved to Netflix. It doesn't have an estimate of how long it will be until avatars launch, nor does it deal which games or types of games will be first to get avatars. Because it feels like they'd have to make their own game, doesn't it? I don't know. This is so interesting to me. I would never have expected this. I'm genuinely shocked, and that's why I wanted to make a video to just bring this news in case you haven't heard about it. But this was kind of crazy. I did not think readyplayerme would be acquired by Netflix, of all things. That would be what happened, and why it's discontinued and a service that's not available to the public anymore. So following the acquisition, it says readyplayerme will be winding down its services January 31st, 2026, which has already happened. And that does include the online avatar creation tool, which I'm pretty sure that's what I had used. I don't remember it being called Player Zero, but maybe that's changed because, again, that video I made was a long time ago. It was a very long time ago. They said their vision had always been to enable players, or enable avatars and identities to travel across many games and virtual worlds. That's what readyplayerme's one of their CEO statement was, and so that's why they've done this, and they're going to do it on a big scale with Netflix. So yeah, that's the update. ReadyPlayerMe has been discontinued and it cannot be used anymore. So what that means for at least this channel, or at least the playlist that I've made for free VTubers, I think I can hide the video without it basically like ruining the view statistics on my channel, because that was a video that did really well. It helped a lot of people. So that is it. That is the big update and change with ReadyPlayerMe. ReadyPlayerMe is gone and it is not coming back for the public. So let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for supporting the videos. And if you do want to become a VTuber for free, there are many, many ways you can start out. That playlist still has a lot of ways, like the free VTube models. I have free VTube models you can download, and that is on my Ko-fi or Ko-fi. Some people say it different, but those are linked down below, and that's in the playlist as well. So you can check out animes if you'd like, and they have avatars in animes you can use. There's lots of resources, and I'm sure there's way more that I don't know about that have come out, because this is now 2026 and I have not looked into that very much recently. But yeah, I just hope you guys can enjoy starting making videos or streaming or whatever it is that you are doing, and I hope that you are safe and you are well, and I wish you all nothing but the best in starting that journey. And if I can help anyway, just leave questions down below and I try my best to answer all of them. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and kind of a bummer, not gonna lie, kind of a bummer.